In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to Teams. If you want to make your chats a little more expressive and fun, adding a GIF in Microsoft Teams is a quick and easy way to do it. Whether you're reacting to a message, celebrating something, or just adding a little personality to the conversation, Teams gives you a built-in GIF option right inside the chat box. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. You'll want to be inside the conversation where you want to send the GIF. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat, as long as you're in the message area where you normally type your replies. Once you're there, look at the message box near the bottom of the screen. Around that typing area, you'll see a few small icons for things like reactions and media. Click the emoji icon below the message box. This opens the panel where Teams lets you insert different kinds of visual responses and fun content directly into your message. After that panel opens, click on GIFs. This switches you from the standard emoji section into the GIF library, where you can browse animated images. Teams usually provides a searchable selection, so you don't have to scroll endlessly to find something that fits the moment. Next, type a keyword into the search field. For example, you can type love. This is just a sample search term, but it shows how easy it is to find a GIF based on a mood, reaction, or theme. You can use simple words that describe what you want, and Teams will return matching options. Now take a moment to look through the results and select one from the available options. When choosing a GIF, it's a good idea to make sure it matches the tone of the conversation, especially if you're using Teams for work or school. A quick check before sending can help keep your message appropriate and clear. Once you've picked the GIF you want, it will be added to your message area and ready to send. The final step is to hit enter. That sends the GIF into the chat, where everyone in the conversation can see it. And that's it. As you can see, adding a GIF to Teams only takes a few clicks. Go to Chat, open the emoji icon, switch to GIFs, search for the kind of GIF you want, choose one, and press enter to send it. It's a simple way to make your messages feel more lively and engaging.